Cathie Wood reveals her last secret warning about ADA. Cardano ADA News Today. Star stock picker Cathie Wood's ARK Invest filed with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission to create a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, ETF. Cathie Woods is very bullish on Bitcoin. Today we're going to talk all about why Cathie Woods is only interested in Bitcoin and shows no other interest in crypto, and doesn't believe in ADA as much as she believes in Bitcoin. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be a bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 13th of September, shall we? Cardano ranks third in market capitalization and competes with Ether for dominance. Cardano has claimed its spot as the third largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, second to Ethereum. ADA market cap is less than 3 times away from ETH, and trader sentiment is getting increasingly bullish as smart contracts go live on Cardano mainnet. Based on data from Santiment, a crypto intelligence platform, Cardano recovered 12.5% since the flash crash of September 7th. Cardano traders are likely to get overhyped closer to launch, and crowd euphoria is considered bullish for the altcoin's price in the short term. Analysts have observed a bullish fractal that could trigger a 16% upswing in ADA price. Now let's get back to the topic. In a conversation with Yahoo Finance, the financial expert assured that the cryptocurrency world has a bright future ahead of it. Wood disagrees with billionaire investor John Paulson's recent criticism of cryptos, Bitcoin in particular. She believes that BTC will succeed in outrunning gold as a store of value in this digital age. Cathie Wood is only bullish on Bitcoin and discourages any crypto other than Bitcoin, including ADA. A few days ago, Paulson told Bloomberg that cryptocurrencies would eventually become meaningless. In his opinion, it's not worth investing in cryptos, since in the end, they might be worthless, regardless of where they're trading today, or whether they keep going up or down. Cathie Wood denied John Paulson's words, explaining that cryptocurrencies are more than a store of value or digital gold. In fact, Bitcoin is a new global monetary system that is fully decentralized and not subject to politicians. Wood also speaks about her investments in Coinbase and Robinhood, the leading regulated exchanges in the US. She notes that Robinhood's turn to cryptocurrencies has been very positive for its business model, and while the SEC is trying to tighten oversight, no negative changes alarming investors are expected in the near future. On the other hand, Cathie Wood emphasizes how comfortable it is to invest in Coinbase. In her view, it is a global benchmark for publicly traded cryptocurrency exchanges all across the globe. Cathie Wood doesn't believe cryptocurrencies are in a price bubble. The crypto industry is simply growing as the technology develops, and the ongoing crypto hype is justified enough. She's confident that the current rally will last at least another 10 years. Cathie Wood is not a cyberpunk, nor does she seek to disrupt the current financial system. Rather, she advocates clear regulation, which appears to be fundamental for the global adoption of cryptos. However, she argues that the main problem is disparate regulators' views on cryptocurrencies. Regulators need to come together and agree on exactly what cryptocurrencies are and how to define them. That would be fruitful, especially for the further development of the ecosystem. Trading in cryptocurrency is always a risk due to its volatility, so you must prepare for your losses. You also have no guarantees you can effectively convert the crypto asset because it depends on demand and supply. Charges on crypto investments can be higher than with traditional investments. These cryptocurrency companies do not have the same regulations as regulated entities. Streeter said, "Traders should treat the crypto market with caution and invest with money they can lose without worrying. Cryptocurrency is still a highly speculative investment, and there's no guarantee ADA will succeed over the long run. We are in uncharted territory with crypto, and it's anyone's guess whether it will change the world or crash and burn. If you decide to invest in Cardano, be sure you have a high risk tolerance or are only investing money you can afford to lose. The last thing you want to do is put your life savings behind an investment as high risk as cryptocurrency. Cardano has the potential for extraordinary gains, but it's also an incredibly risky investment. Before you invest in this cryptocurrency, make sure you've done your research and know what you're getting into. Crypto could be a life-changing investment, but it's not right for everyone. Now you understand why Cathie Woods only invests in Bitcoin and not in any other crypto. Investors understand what they're facing, and even if the loss is exponential, they know there is a potential to get their money back quickly. ADA has remained a cryptocurrency of high expectations, which will not get to levels of Bitcoin, but will also enter the market and generate profits. This is the reason Cathie Wood warns people to only invest in Bitcoin and not to consider any other coin, including ADA. One thing that is important to understand about Cardano is that it is not the same as Bitcoin. Whereas Bitcoin's purpose is primarily to be a digital currency, Cardano is much broader. In fact, Cardano is an open source operating system and computing platform. It also supports distributed applications, dApps, and smart contracts. Since Cardano announced in a video on August 13th that it would release the final Alonzo Purple update on September 12th, the network's native ADA cryptocurrency has gained around 33% and is now the third largest digital coin by market value, with a capitalization of $82 billion, according to CoinMarketCap.com. Bitcoin, the biggest crypto that boasts a market value of around $884 billion, has gained around 4% in that time. Another application that will run on the Cardano network once the upgrade is complete are smart contracts, a piece of code that allows two or more parties to transact with one another without a central force like a commercial bank or broker. Smart contracts are one of the cornerstones of decentralized finance, and any network that can run them will be in demand. This is a big step forward for a network that, for years since it launched in 2017, was widely pilloried as a ghost chain, crypto slang to describe a blockchain worth billions that ultimately has very little in the way of actual utilization. It'll be a fun day. Everybody used to call us the Ghost Chain, and I bought the Ghostbusters uniform, so come September 12th, I'll be wearing it and we'll have some fun, Hoskinson said. If you decide to invest in ADA, you should first ask yourself why you are investing. Although the price of the coin has risen substantially over the past year, it can be extremely volatile. Thus, if you buy ADA simply hoping the price will rise, you may end up frustrated. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land. Bye!